Castaway program was really very good, and it was actually amazing. It was like a really good experience. We learned new things every single day, and I think learning them, being a part of nature, and like there was no Wi-Fi around, nothing, so we didn't have any distractions, and we were focused and we worked together as a team. These are like the most amazing parts that we usually don't get to do much in the city.
We were given the authority to lead, and that really let us create our own paths and guide others. Now that sense of leadership and responsibility gives you a rush that you can't experience otherwise very easily.
Teamwork was the best thing that I took up from this. Like respecting the other person in the team, listening to him, like not just like always what I say is right. You have to collaborate with others, and then you have to work as a team, and that's when you achieve something working as a team, the happiness that you get is like extremely out of this world.